Hi, my name is Isabella Applegarth, and my horse is One Sensational Cowgirl, and we just won the Novice 1418 Western Pleasure and the Novice 1418 Horsemanship. She is the best horse ever. She's so cute, and I love her. And she's really fun to ride because she's she's so sweet and good-minded, and I really love riding her. I think we just understand each other, and we're both very calm under pressure, I guess. My horse doesn't get really excited or crazy, and I'm just kind of even-keeled too, so we're just kind of a good laid-back team, so that's good. My go on the Western Pleasure was really, really, really good. I don't know, I just had a really good feeling about it when I first started riding her, and it's just this is a good, I didn't think I was gonna win though. I thought it was gonna be top 5, but I ended up winning, so. In my horsemanship, my pattern was really good. My favorite part was probably the extended jog. It was good. But it was just super fun, and horsemanship is one of my favorite classes, so it was really cool to be able to win in that class. Probably going through the trail was one of my favorite experiences so far because it's so different, and the trail, of course, is so interesting, and I really like the way it was laid out. So. I'm thinking about being a vet, but I'm not sure where I want to go yet, so that's to be determined. It's really cool because now I'll just be able to go, I'll have more opportunities and stuff with the scholarship money, and I'll be able to use it and go to college and stuff like that. So my advice would be just come because it's really, really fun, and it's a really good experience. And you get to do really fun patterns, and you get to meet new people, which is really cool. I've met a lot of new girls since I've been here. And it's just a good time to have with your horse.